with a pedal board. We have G, G. And now I'm going to add the left hand. Okay, now I'm going to combine my right hand with the pedal board. Also practice my left hand, right hand together without pedal board. And then lastly, we can do everything together. But we're going to do it quite slowly. To play an E. I would recommend you put your right foot just on the G so that you can get ready for A. Because your left foot is already on a D, and using the heel for E is not too difficult. Yeah, you need to tilt your body slightly so that you can play E. But if you don't mind moving your foot around, then it's fine. You can. If you want to play accurately from this E to A, one way is to use the reference point. I can think of 3 notes. Yeah, that's E, treble 1, 2, 3 to A. That's one way of finding it. Another way of finding A is to use that black note as a reference. You can feel it, and the first note after that black note is A. Yeah, so A, that can also work. Add the left hand. Now let's play the right hand with the pedal board. Before we put both hand and the pedal together, we maybe just practice the manual section. And now we're going to do everything together, but we're going to play it slowly. Once we're happy with our slow pace, we can speed up. The pedal first. And now left hand goes like this. Together. And then now we play right hand. Adding a pedal board. You might want to break these 4 bars into a section of 2. So you can do the first 2 bars. And practice until you feel happy. let's move to the next two bars. Do let me know in the comment, do you prefer to use the heel or do you prefer to move the feet? Now let's play those 4 bars very slowly and then we'll gradually speed up. I'm very happy with that. Let's speed up. Nice, even faster. And now we play the next part. On the left hand, and now we are going to do the pedal board. We only have 3 Gs. So we enter in the second bar. Now we can do everything together very slowly. I'm very happy with that. We'll speed up. News is there's only 1 note on the pedal board. You can almost ignore the pedal board part and spend all your brain energies on the manual section. Yeah. And lastly, we have on the left hand.